Birds. I-R-D-S. B-R-M-D-S.
B-I-R-D-S.
Oh.
Genius.
I-R-D-I-D-S.
Yep. Okay, read.
Birds. This bird is swimming.
Everybody's heard about the bird.
This bird is...
Why don't you come here and turn around so I can see what you're actually reading, so I can make sure you're reading it right. No, sit by my feet. Now turn around. Turn this way, so now I can see the book. All right, so you read. This bird is eating.
This bird is walking. This bird is running. This bird is sleeping. This bird is
Sound it out. T. Ta.
talking.
There you go.
This bird is talking.
Yep.
Or when I say hello.
Very good. I like that. The end. Want to read another one?
Yeah.
All right, go grab one more. Just grab one. Doesn't matter which one. Dana, come on. All right. Read. Good job. Oh, Joey wants you to read this one. Okay, one more. You gonna read it to Joey? Joey, she's gonna read it to you. Okay, read. The eensy weensy spider.
And after walk, climbed up the water spout. So the bird went what? Out. Down in the rain and down in the water. And then, oh, you see frog? Yeah. Frog. And the frog said the spider, out. Out came the sun. Right up all through. And it's in the next page. No, that's right. And it's in the next page. No, that's not the one. Turn it like this.
All right, you guys. That's it. Okay, so Dana, get in bed. Why don't you guys both get on the bed? You guys can sing. I'll get it after. All right. I love you. You love me. I love you. Dana and Joey, come with me, and they'll say, I love you more every day. Dana, sing.